It's Game 2 of the quarterfinal in the Western Conference, and we're in for a doozy.
And this doozy will be coming to us courtesy of the Phoenix Coyotes and the Detroit Red Wings. Amonte gets caught offside and play is stopped. Schaefer. Shatan corrals the puck. Detroit takes it. Savage mows down Schaefer. Savage scoops up the loose puck. Wilson, delayed call coming up. Berahowski now has the puck. Wilson gets laid out.
These bold and beautiful hits make for some real drama.
Kuba will serve time for cross-checking.
Lucky guy. He gets to enjoy the luxurious penalty box suite for 2 minutes.
Somehow I don't think he's pleased, Don. Phoenix with the power play.
Now would be a good time to score. Anytime now. Like now.
Relax. Shanahan. May gives him the business. Phoenix ran out of time on that power play. Stoned cold by Boucher. Backhands it. Door slammed shut by Boucher. Lemieux gets mowed down.
Stopped him like an autumn grape.
Caberlet. With a wrist shot, Joseph stones him.
He roams around the crease with the greatest of ease.
Kuba picks up the puck from Joseph. Kuba takes control. Lemieux corrals it. Doan. The Coyotes dump it. Chelios with it now. Solani. Lemieux grabbed it. Boucher turned the shot aside.
They keep sending them in, and he keeps sending them out.
Shoots the puck. Joseph denies him.
This guy makes it look easy, but it's not. Trust me.
Robitaille now has the puck. Backhanded shot. Blocked. Boucher freezes the puck. Lidstrom, wrist shot. Boucher stoned him. Yager jumps on the loose puck. Backhands it. Denied by Boucher.
His job is to throw himself in front of a speeding puck. Think about that.
Amonte. Backhand stoned by Joseph. Long pass. Yager shoots. Langkow takes control of the puck. May. Nylander gets the pass from Joseph. Nieuwendyk with a one-timer. Scores!
The fans were looking for a goal, and thanks to a little wrist action, the puck rose to the occasion.
Detroit breaks the stalemate with the game's first goal.
If at first you don't succeed... Oh, wait, they did succeed.
Kolanos now has the puck. Detroit corrals it.
By number 31,
Shatan.
Curtis Joseph.
Schaefer now has it. Mera picks it up. Doan. Shoots. The door is shut by Joseph.
One man's obsession, keeping pucks out of the net.
Joseph made the brilliant save. Yzerman. Schaefer had the puck. Shatan. Huge shot. Mera will go to the box for roughing.
All right, I'm going to try and read that guy's lips.
Phoenix
You know what? I don't know how to read lips.
Phoenix will play shorthanded.
But I've got a good feeling about this one. This team loves to be the underdog. That's the first.
Detroit has got its passing game down, Don.
Yeah, and when that happens, you watch your score go up. Jim, if hockey was a drink, you could order at a little juice bar just north of the equator run by an ex-lion tamer, and you were there for 10 years from the second solstice of the next year of the goat. What flavor do you think it would be?
Mint.
Mint? What kind of crazy answer is that? Jeez.
Langkow with the puck. Amonte. Joseph makes the save. And they get called for icing.
For refreshing beverage, our concession stands offer great food at reasonable prices.
The face-off goes to Phoenix. Saved by Joseph.
And a save is born.
Lemieux. Robitaille. Suchi jumps on the loose puck. Savage.
That confirms it, Jim. He can deke with one hand tied behind his back.
Timonen gets the puck. Solani. Detroit puts its scoring line out. Rips it. Stoned cold by Boucher.
There's no question. Instincts count in this kind of game.
Bookberger. And there's a fight going on.
Well, sometimes when you don't have time to stop and chat, a few punches in the head is the best way to put your message across.
You know what wins fights, Don? Presence of mind.
Yeah, and he presented that guy's mind with a bunch of good shots.
Detroit penalty.
Doan corrals the puck.
A 5-minute major for fighting.
Lemieux now with it. Mera has it now. Vannanen has it mowed down.
And he gets pasted like a scrap of wallpaper.
Offside. Kuba now has the puck. Schaefer. Yzerman gets the shot off. Schaefer.
Shoot it!
Yzerman. One-time shot from the left. Kaberlev. Icing against Phoenix. Yzerman won the faceoff. Brewer shoots the puck. Mera took it. Kalanos got it. Doan took it. Kalanos got it. Mera grabbed it with a wrist shot. Oh, he missed. Doan shoots it. Joseph denied him. Kalanos fires it. And they get called for icing. Smolinski. Neuendijk grabbed the puck. Nylander fires! Saved by Boucher!
The bigger the save, the harder they fall.
Boucher freezes the puck. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Door slammed shut by Boucher. Shoots the puck. Boucher slams the door shut. Amonte. Shoots! Great save!
And you can add one more save to his personal stat sheet.
Shanahan now has the puck. Kaberla picked it up. May. Phoenix gobbles it up.
Last minute of play.
That's icing.
Period.
Savage. Wilson gets the puck. Rink-wide pass. Savage. Shot quickly. Saved by Joseph.
I hope you haven't had your fill of hockey action, because we'll be serving up some more shortly.
Free tickets to an upcoming game, as well as tons of cool merchandise.
Hi, and welcome back to the game we hold dear to our hearts. Hockey. Let's get on with it.
Lemieux wins the draw. Robitaille got the puck. Shoots. Blocked. Solani takes control of the puck. Turned over in the corner. Chelios whips it. Boucher, great save. Kalanos with the puck. Lemieux runs over Mera.
Wow, that one sounded like King Kong falling off a building.
Timonen gets hold of the puck. Doan. Kalanos, hard one-timer. He scores! It trickled in.
Jim, that's his first goal in the NHL. I'm putting it in the scrapbook.
And all of a sudden, this game is tied.
Not great timing there, Jim. These guys wanted to close out this game nice and easy.
But that goal's a major bump in the road. Amonte shoots the puck from the left. Phoenix scooped it up. Lankow, quick shot, saved by Joseph. Yager. Shanahan grabbed the puck. Yager fired it, saved by Boucher.
This is your typical story of puck meets net.
Not Boucher hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Kuba cranks it. He takes control of the puck. Brewer. Phoenix touches up for icing. Shanahan. Yager scores!
If that goal were a fruit, it'd be grapefruit.
Bravo, Don, bravo.
The one-timer, a thing of beauty. The two-timer, I'm not even going to go there.
Late in the game, we've got a one-goal lead.
Some might say that a one-goal lead is not a lot. I would not be one of those people. One goal midway through the third is huge.
Doan. Kalanos jumps on the loose puck. Lemieux shoots it. Saved by Joseph. Lemieux. Schaefer takes control of the puck. He gives it away. Phoenix makes a line change. Brewer with the puck. He straight arms Doan.
Waxed him like the kitchen floor.
Lemieux shoots the puck. Markov takes possession. Joseph closed the door. Lemieux shoots it from the left. Joseph made the save. Markov turned away by Joseph.
There might be easier ways to make a living, but they aren't as fun.
Joseph hangs on for the whistle. Doan won the faceoff. Blocked. Yager jumps on the loose puck. Lemieux. Phoenix gets a hold of it. Doan. Amonte shoots it hard. Phoenix picked it up. Yager saved by Boucher.
Not in my net. Not just then, anyway.
It's one-on-one. Blocked. May takes possession of the puck. Boucher is getting pulled from the game.
This is a classic gambit, Jim. It never wears thin.
Markov gets laid out. Shanahan! He scores the empty netter. Detroit has sealed the deal with that one.
But don't you go anywhere, or else Jim and I will leap out of these speakers, sit with you, and comment on your NHL 2003 playing
For eternity.
Phoenix is 2 goals down and is going to pull its goalie.
I endorse their strategy. It'll spice things up.
Yzerman fires it. Blocked. Brewer knocks him off the puck.
That hit left one guy carved.
He scores on the empty net.
Detroit goal. Scored
Shanahan.
by number 2, Eric Brewer. The goal was unassisted.
Yager fires. Kaberla takes over. Lankow. Amonte has it. It's one-on-one. Joseph denies him. Lankow. Joseph with a big save.
You know what? I feel a case of hero worship coming on.
Markov takes control of the puck. Lankow. Offside. Phoenix. Detroit is slaying in the face-off department.
Look at their percentage. They rule.
Solani. Slap shot. Blocked. Kolanos. There's the buzzer. Detroit has vanquished its foes with this one.
Yeah, now the team gallops off gallantly with a 2-game lead.
Somehow I just
And
knew
now
if
for
I
the
got the word
three-star
vanquish.
selection.
Oh, Jim, you know me so well.
For Detroit, number 14.